Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Fat Finds, and we have got an unboxing. This unboxing is uh, by hey, it's from Louis Vuitton, and it's a piece that I ordered a few weeks ago. Didn't come in until today, and so the bag of the day is the Louis Vuitton Lock Me Pochette. Can't say enough about it. Has the silver crossbody strap, has a wristlet strap, and a very soft, succulent, durable leather. And yeah, cannot say enough about that one. But let's get to the unboxing of what we've got to unbox for today. And it's just a small piece. It's a piece that I had ordered that a few weeks ago that didn't come in until today. So it is a quintessential piece for traveling and all of the concerned. So let's see what is in the box for today. Louis Vuitton. This one comes in a full-size box or a handbag size box. We've got our receipt and our paperwork in here. Your paperwork includes, if this is the first time that you've seen one of these unboxings, includes your welcome cards, and the exchange and return policy, a return receipt, a return label, and a gift receipt. So, just beautiful on Louis Vuitton stationery. So if you're wondering what's in the envelope, that's what's in the envelope. And we got a couple of the new cologne samples. The a couple of perfume cards to spritz it on so that you can smell it. And it's the Pacific Chill. And we'll take that tester out. I'm getting covered up by the box. So when you take the second box out of the first box so that we can see that what's in the box. Set that box over to the side and get to the perfume cologne and try that out. Get our little tester out. Get our little perfume card out. And normally I would let my CA, Allie, in Birmingham, Saks, fabulous girl. Normally would have let her order this, but like I said, I ordered it a few weeks back. And it's just now come in. So, but y'all get with Allie and see what she can. If she doesn't have it in store, she can always order it for you. Or I say always, but sometimes. Ooh, I love it. Delicious. And that does just smell very citrusy. Just, oh, that's delicious. That's like fruit punch. With a little bit of Malibu, I can see having that as a poolside drink. It's fantastic. Not that I'm thinking about a poolside drink, but yeah. So, oh man, fabulous, fabulous. And I didn't do my makeup and all that stuff for this video, so I hope I'm not breaking the camera or hurting your eyes. So yeah, let's get into the box and see what's going on. See what we got. Of course, you guys already know what we got. But let's take a look at it. Okay. You know me. I like to slide it over to the side. If you know, you know. And I try to keep my ribbons intact. Some people undo them, but they're such a nightmare to get done back just right. I just leave them like that. There we go. Just beautiful ribbons. This Louis Vuitton. It comes with a gift card, a blank gift card. You can write something on for your loved one if you purchase this for a gift. Cute little, just blank gift card. So, throw that over there. And I know it's going to flip out of the box, because that's what always happens when I open the box. It just flips right on out. So I'm going to try to catch it and get our beautiful folding magnetic box from Louis Vuitton. Yay for the Maggie. Very nice coffee table book. Lookbook, wish book. So, yes. There we go. Now forget my table and everything. We're in one of the storage rooms today. And just a beautiful magazine. Love the rainbow on the front and the back. Just beautiful double rainbow picture. And I'll look at this book in just a minute. See what kind of goodies are in there. And let's get to the piece. There we go. yeah, I'm really excited about this one. I've already got the small cube, so in which I want another one of those. These are addictive. Let me beware. But the large cube I needed to get for my new Pegasus Pegasi business suitcase that I picked up from 24s.com. Done a previous vlog on that, so be sure to check that out. Oh my goodness, it is exactly what everyone says that it is. It is just one big square piece of canvas. It is seamed. It's not, when I say one big piece, it's not one big piece. It is seamed, cut, and seamed here. It's one piece that wraps, where? No, it's not just, it does have several seams, but it is lined up very nicely. This particular piece, it has just a very tiny touch of fascia there and there. I don't know why, I guess just for aesthetics. And so this is the large packing cube. And I don't know if it's called MM and PM or how they do that. I forgot. It zips really well. Beautiful gold zipper. Louis Vuitton Vachetta patch there on the inside. A twill cotton lining. Here's our tags for that. And this particular piece, I think it says it was made in Italy. Smells wonderful. It has the LV gold zipper, and really not much to say about this piece except for that it's good for your makeup brushes, your hair brushes, all of those different things. I choose this piece. I would like one of the Nisi cases, but I don't want vachetta on it. And until Louis makes one that doesn't have vachetta on it, I probably won't go for that. I'll probably just get another one or two of these to use, because there's just something about that vachetta in the bathroom that just does not mix with me. Yeah, so I'm not going that route, and I'm very happy to go this route with it. And I'm very excited about this. I'm so excited because there's just so much you can do with them, you know, just so much. And guys, they have released a new samurai bag that is from the archives, and a few other things are coming along the way. So look out for Louis' new releases. They're pretty hot. And but yeah, this is definitely worth the money. It is a life piece. It is definitely a treasure. And I'm so glad to be getting this piece. And I've got to tell you guys, I've got an unboxing to do tomorrow. I'm got some Valentino shoes on the way that I'm really, really excited about. I've been wanting these shoes for a while now, and I found them at a good deal at YOX, which is Net-a-Porter. So I am real excited about those, and we'll do the unboxing hopefully tomorrow on those. So look for that video in the next couple of days. And maybe some other good things coming along the way. But definitely, when these go into stock, they're in and out of stock. So whenever you can get your hands on one of these, get your hands on them, people. They are amazing. You cannot hurt it. It's good Louis leather. I mean, not leather, but canvas. And because I even see influencers calling the canvas leather. Let me explain to you what canvas is. Canvas is a coated cotton. It's like if you took this dress and put epoxy on it, or some kind of, let me see, it's like if you took a swatch of material and you put top coat clear fingernail polish on that piece, that's what this would be, or equivalent to. Let me make sure to say that would be the equivalent to what this is. I don't know what Louis treats their canvas with, but canvas is usually either linen or cotton linen, and it is a fabric, and then it is coated with some type of rubber plastic mix, or rubber or plastic, and something like that. So it is rest assured, it is not leather. So I want to clarify that for people, because I even hear influencers and everything calling the coated canvas leather, and it's not leather. Now, it does act like leather, and you do want to treat it like leather. You want to keep it clean and conditioned, and wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you find all that you've ever dreamed of. Please know you are worth it. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next unboxing. Love.